怪雀龙，作者王之慧。每日一三界，文环入海流，地球千里路，更上一层楼。轻轻拿两双筷子，里外爬，三人小组爱说话，四个小兵画画，五个朋友力气大。哎，小朋友们讲故事喽。哇，你们看到什么？对，机器卡车说瓢虫，因为他背了一个小背包嘞。我们看看好不好？他要去哪里喽？然后说明是甜蜜的家。Hello， 哦，瓢虫，他的名字叫比比，今天都好忙碌哦。他背着包包出门去寻找他的想要的家。然后我们看看哦，比比会找到什么家嘞？走啊走啊，比比发现地上有一个银色的东西，蜗牛。蜗牛，哇，小蛋，这时候你看我的家很棒吧？可是比比说这个不适合我，它会露出来，你看有破掉。
我们来练习好喽。这是太阳，月亮，牙齿，时钟，头发。好，看圆圆们很厉害哦。请你告诉我，时钟是哪一张？所以它是时钟。好，那头发呢？哦，头发在这里。那这个是什么？牙齿很厉害。可是现在我们要难一点的喽。你自己选一张。好，打开来。告诉我这是什么？好，再选一张。哦，那这是什么？这是什么？时钟很厉害，但最后一张打开来。哦，这是小朋友，我们现在来看字好喽，悠悠。第一张手，妈妈，脖子，电话，眼睛，桌子。好。请告诉我，脖子在哪里？脖子不是，哪一张是脖子？指给我看，脖子是哪一张？脖子。好，来悠悠来，请问手是哪一张？手是哪一个？对，云云手是哪一个？好棒哦！那妈妈呢？妈妈，云云妈妈是哪一张？好棒！现在我要考你们喽，好不好？看有没有很厉害哦。好的，悠悠，等一下。好，亮婷选一张。好，打开来。是亮婷先。告诉我这是什么？
脖子。
好，脖子。好，悠悠来。这是什么？妈妈。来，云云这张给你，打开来。这是手。
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you? But do you? But do you want to come on? Scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.
It started out as a feeling, which then grew into a hope, which then turned into a quiet thought, which then turned into a quiet word. And then that word grew louder and louder, till it was a battle cry. I'll come back when you call me. No need to say goodbye. Just because everything's changing doesn't mean it's never been this way before. All you can do is try to know who your friends are as you head off to the war. Pick a star on the dark horizon and follow the light. You'll come back when it's over. No need to say goodbye. You'll come back when it's over. No need to say goodbye. Now we're back to the beginning. It's just a feeling and no one knows yet. But just because they can't feel it too doesn't mean that you have to forget. Let your memories grow stronger and stronger till they're